Hello, I'm Blizzard Boy. I'm called Blizzard Boy because I can actually make blizzards happen, even indoors. See? Watch.
Bruh, I hate Christmas.
Gah! I'm sick of people always saying bruh and that they hate Christmas. This school will face my phrasing wrath, starting with you.
Gee, I sure do love the weather.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Run away. He's gonna bury us all in snow.
Hey, you! Hey, you look snow much cooler than me and I don't like it. Boom! I wonder who else I can find.
No! I cannot let you bury people in snow. You will face the wrath of Gustav Smirnov. For Mother Russia! John Timbers, wake up! You must find Squash Boy. He's the only one powerful enough to stop Blizzard Boy. Go!
Okay.
And I thought Chernobyl was bad.
Squash Boy, I need your help. I'm sorry, John Timbers. Thanksgiving is over, my gut's full of turkey, and November's at an end. I'm going somewhere tropical.
But Blizzard Boy's gone crazy. He's burying people under mountains of snow.
Well, that's no good. Fine. I will help you one last time, but that's it. That's it. No more chances with me, okay? Come on.
No, come on, let me try.
No. Okay, there we go. I am unstoppable, Blizzard! Can't let you do this, Blizzard Boy. John Timbers, hand me the gourd of eternal truth. Thank you. You draw your weapon. Then we shall battle, and our battle will be legendary, for I have the dagger of eternal winter. Fighting me is futile, for I have your most sacred relic, the divine squash. You simpleton. That is not the divine squash. It is actually a powerful tracking beacon. Wait, what? Well, I knew I could do it. Now Blizzard Boy is gone, and I can finally go somewhere tropical. Hawaii, here I come. Hello, Gustav.
Oh, Squash Boy. You defeated Blizzard Boy, eh?
Yes, he really thought he could pickpocket the divine squash from me. That never in his dreams, okay? Hey, I need you to go back in time and fight someone known as the Equalizer. And yes, I just broke the fourth wall by looking at the camera. But don't worry, there is no actual camera there. So don't look that way, Gustav.
Okay.
Alright, so are you ready to go back in time and defeat the Equalizer?
I guess so.
Alright, goodbye.
Go.
Time for Squash Boy Fart.